Navigation Package, XMNav Traffic and XMNav Weather Subscription Required Sport Package, Illuminated Kick Plates, Premium Package, Rear Sonar and Backup Camera, Bose Studio on Wheels Sound System, Bluetooth Audio Streaming. The G37 all-wheel drive sedan is the perfect blend of sports car and luxury sedan, matched with one of the most advanced all-wheel drive systems in the world. It's the perfect automobile for the Pacific Northwest. A new USB input allows you to stream music from a wide variety of devices onto the vehicle's sound system. The 7-speed automatic helps to maximize fuel economy and performance, which is simply amazing with 328 horsepower. Unlike many premium luxury automobiles, the G37 is low maintenance with timing chains that never need to be replaced, checked, or adjusted and will last the service life the engine. The first major tune-up is not until 105k miles, allowing you to spend more time on the road and less in service. The intelligent all-wheel drive system gives you 100% rear-wheel drive sports car performance in the dry, yet it can almost instantly send 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels when a loss of traction is detected, combined with stability and traction control, makes for a very safe automobile. Features and options differ on every vehicle. Please look at pictures of the windowed sticker on the vehicle photo section on our website. You will be able to see the actual windowed sticker for this vehicle and how it is equipped. A negotiable documentary service fee, up to $150 may be added to the sale price. Sale price does not include LoJack theft recovery system. Please call or visit our sales manager for details at 888-548-7711.